In the mind of a trucker, you've been playing somebody else's game from the very beginning. Infant born into this world with no recollection of beginning nor end. Throughout your lifetime, however long that may be, you'll be able to uncover these things. You'll become an archaeologist / detective by default. You will unearth discoveries, put pieces in place like a magnificent puzzle. This is not by coincidence that you're on this journey. Your blindness will become clear over time. It doesn't happen overnight. The heart senses things isn't right. The weight becomes unbearable. If you're stuck in a place called denial, the conflicted mind ensued. Should you remain there to appease other people, or shall you remove yourself for your own sanity? What was stated this far may go over a lot of people's heads like the cow jumped over the moon. Just another indication your brain is trapped in quicksand. It's been long overdue for us all to break free. What's in the dark shall come to light. It's not lies but truth that sets you free. We all have been lied to with peace far from sight. What is happening all around us is not the natural intention. If energy never dies and it only transfer, in essence you're eternal. Imaginary change that was placed on our minds was orchestrated for our demise.